Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to study about the polymorphism concept in Python. In this concept we will study about overloading and overriding. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is like ability of objects to have different forms or behavior while sharing a common interface. Okay, like we have studied about the class and methods. Okay, what if different classes are having same methods? Okay, like I am having class A, class B, and I'm inheriting the class A in class B. I'm having here a method 1. I'm also having here method 1. Okay, if I'm creating an object of class B and I'm calling object dot method 1. Okay, so in this case, see, I'm using inheritance concept. I'm inheriting the all properties of class A in class B, and now see, I got two methods which has same name. Okay, one method 1 is coming from the class A and another method 1 I am having in class B. I'm calling here method 1. So which method 1 will be invoked, or which method 1 will respond to give me output? Okay, this is one concept. This is called overriding. In this case, see, this is parent class and this is child class. Okay, so in this case, overriding, when we are calling the method 1 which is present in both the classes, class A and class B. So in this case, the method 1 of child class will override on method 1 of the parent class. It means to give output, this method 1 will come forward and give me output. Okay, so this method 1 of class B will be override method 1 of class A. Okay, what is overloading? Let's say I'm having a function, okay, which accepts some arguments. Now I'm calling this function using an object outside of the class. Okay, and I'm giving some argument here, and if so, I will get output, a certain output here. Okay, now what am I doing? I'm changing the nature of this argument. I'll get another output. Okay, if I'm changing this argument, I'm getting the output on basis of this argument. If I'm changing the nature of this argument, I'm getting the different output. So this is called overloading. Let's say I'm saying that I'm just saying print length of, let's say I'm making a series here. I'm making a list is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I'm saying print length of list. Okay, I will get here 4. Right, now I'm saying in same function, I'm saying print length of hello. Okay, in this case it will count 1 2 3 4 5 and give me answer 5. I'm not changing the function here. Function is same. I'm just changing the argument here. Okay, and I am getting different output. This is called overloading. Let's see with more examples. Okay, first we will see overloading. Okay, let's say I'm creating a class which is my class, and I'm defining a function here which is area, which takes self unit 1 is equal to none. I'm not passing any argument here. I'm saying unit 1 is none. I'm saying unit 2 is none. Okay, now I'm writing a condition if unit 1 is not equal to none and unit 2 is also not equal to none. In this case, return unit 1 unit 2. Okay, product of the unit 1 and unit 2. If unit 1 is not equal to none, okay, then return, not return, we have to, if let's say import math here, okay, and return me math dot py into unit 1. See what I have done here. I want to give a argument which will tell me the radius of any circle, and I want to find out the area of circle. Here I'm finding out the area of any rectangle, and here I'm finding out the area of any circle. I can write here just like return. I can also write here, let's say if I don't want to find the area of circle, I can write here unit 1 into unit 1. Okay, that would be an area of a square. Now else print no argument has given. Okay, now I'm creating an object here. Object is equal to my class, and I'm calling object dot area. I'm passing argument, let's say 2 and 4. Oh sorry, 2 and 4. Okay, so what will I get? Let's run this. I will get, see, I'm passing 2 argument here, 2 and 4. So 2 and 4, it will be like unit 1 and unit 2, because this will take 2 argument. Okay, unit 1 and unit 2, and unit 1 is none, unit 2 is none, so default value is none. Okay, I told you in my previous videos, here default value is none, but if I am passing any argument here, so this argument will override this none. Okay, so if unit 1, see here unit 1 is having 2, unit 2 is having 4. Okay, so if unit 1 is having 2 and unit 2 is having 4 value, so in that case our this condition is true, that unit 1 and unit 2 are not none. Okay, so if this is true, we will get this one in return. Now if I'll say, let's say I will pass 2 only. Okay, so in that case unit 1 is not equal to none and unit 2 is equal to none. Okay, so in that case it is taking this condition. I'm not passing any argument here. I'm not passing any argument here, so in this condition it is taking this condition. Okay, no argument has given, so I'm just changing the argument and I'm getting the different output. This is called overriding in polymorphism. Okay, now we'll see what is you can see there is more example of overriding. Let's say print type. Okay, I'm saying 2, I'll get integer. I'm saying 2.0, I'll get float. I'm saying 2.0 in colons, I'll get string. Okay, so these are the different result I'm getting when I'm changing the argument. Now I will see overriding. Okay, so for overriding I can take one example. I told you about the parent class and the child class. Let's say class cat. Okay, and defining species self, and what am I saying here? Print this is or species cat. Species cat. Okay, and again I am defining a class which is dog, and I'm inheriting the properties of cat here. Defining species self. Okay, print, let's say species dog here. Okay, now I am creating a object is equal to dog. when I'm creating an object of dog, automatically it is calling both the classes, because in dog the cat is inherited. Now I'm saying object dot species. Okay, so I'm calling object dot species. So this one will be called and this one will be called. Okay, but here in case of overriding concept, the dog class will override the cat class. Okay, this is the child class and this is the parent class. So the arguments or the properties of the child class will override the properties of the parent class. So here I will get species dog here. Okay, so if I want to call in the same concept, I want to call the properties of parent class also. In that case, what can I do? I can write here super dot species. Okay, when I'm writing super, it means this super dot whatever I am writing here, the method name will be invoke the method of the parent class. Why I'm writing here super? Super means the parent class. Okay, so it will invoke the method of the parent class. So if I'll again run this, I will get species dog. Okay, because I'm when I'm calling the species, it will invoke this one and this one both. I was telling you it will invoke both. Okay, but because of the concept of overriding, it will give us this print only. But when I'm writing super dot species, so this will call the parent class as well. Okay, by using the super dot. Also when I'm writing this, I'm getting the result of the parent class, so I'm getting both results here. Okay, I hope you got the concept of polymorphism, two method, overloading and overriding. If you have any doubt, you can always comment, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.